Superbike Maker is also here at the Auto Expo 2014. Triumph Motorcycles came out with the Daytona 675, and the 675R is also on showcase. And to tell us more about it, we're joined by Kshitij from Autobuild, who is more of a biker himself.
This is the Daytona 675R, and this is the top of the line super sports model by Triumph at this moment. And the difference between the R and the standard motorcycle is that the R gets Öhlins shock absorbers along with a rear shock also by Öhlins and Brembo brakes. And plus you get carbon fiber panels on the front fender as well as carbon fiber inserts on the dash. And the power and the torque figures more or less are the same, but the suspension setup, tuning, everything, if you take all that into account, it makes up to a difference of around 3 lakhs.
So both the Daytona 675 standard edition and the 675R are here in India. Does it make the 600 to that 800cc bike range exciting enough now?
Yeah, definitely, but this is the only over 600cc and under, like, this is the only the middleweight motorcycle that we have in India as of now in the super sports category. So yes, definitely the things that, it has triggered, but what goes on next, we can only speculate as of now.
If we talk a little more here, in terms of looks, the 675 standard, which is here, and the 675R doesn't have much of a difference in terms of looks, does it?
No. In terms of looks, they're almost identical, but if you notice, the dash here is finished in FRP, and that's fiber reinforced plastic. The dash over there in that bike is finished in carbon fiber. Same thing with the front fender and the rear fender here, the one on the swing arm. So this is also FRP, while that is carbon fiber. So these are a few differences. The major differences, however, again, are the brakes and the suspensions, which in the R, the brakes are by Brembo and the suspensions are by Öhlins. And
so does it give a better performance output than the standard edition?
Yes, it definitely does. Öhlins and Brembos are like one of the best people to make suspension and brakes in the business today. So if you have an Öhlins and Brembo brake fitted bike, then you know that it is track ready and you can just take it on any time.
Okay, Kshitij, quickly tell our viewers what's the price on the standard Daytona 675 and on the 675R.
The standard Daytona 675 is for 10,15,000 ex-showroom Delhi, while the R goes for 13.5 lakhs ex-showroom Delhi.